This is a heavy box this month. Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. I will be unboxing the June 2026 Allure Beauty Box. This for me is a $23 a month because I pay for 3 months at a time, $69 divided by 3. I think it's $23. If you purchase it 1 month at a time, it went up. It's like $30. So if this is a subscription you are interested in, you do save money by doing 3 months, 6 months, 1 year at a time. The box guarantees 6 products and at least 3 will be full size. And for the past year and a half, we've been able to select the shade or sometimes the product in each box. I cannot remember for the life of me what the product is this month. So let's be surprised together. All right, I'm super curious what's making this box so heavy. Oh, okay. So we've been getting this brand quite frequently lately. This is from First Aid Beauty and is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. And I just now remembered this was the product I got to select. So as I mentioned, normally there'll be like a blush or a bronzer or a lipstick and you get to select the shade. However, every now and again there's like a hair care product, or this month there were 3 products from First Aid Beauty that we got to choose from, and I selected this one. Okay, so this is 50 ml and retails for $28. That's not bad, and I was incorrect. We had 4 products to choose from: an after shower nourishing body oil, a brightening micro powder exfoliant, the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, which is what I selected. All right, so first product, my box is already paid for. All right, what else came in this month's box? Okay, there is a hair care product. I think I speculated the weight of the box. There may be some hair care products. This is from Paul Mitchell, and it's a flexible style sculpting foam. Ooh, okay, it's 59 ml. I haven't used a foam since the 80s. I didn't realize people still use foam. But then again, I really don't put any kind of product in my hair. All right, is this full size? Okay, so we get a 2 fluid ounce, which is included. Okay, so that's like a travel size. The full retail is for 16.9 fluid ounces. Ooh, that's quite large, for $31. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna, at the end, I will toss them in my hair. I don't want to look cray-cray for the whole video, just for a few minutes of the video. All right, next product, we have something from Aceology. This is the Here We Glow Berry Mask. I'm just not a mask person. I'm lazy. But let's read up on this product. Maybe it's a mask that's, you know, like a cream and you don't have to wash off. If so, that will be a good thing. All right, so it says, slather onto freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from the forehead to chin. Then grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, and after 20 to 30 minutes, welcome your new glow. It didn't say anything about washing it off, but why would you have to wait 20 to 30 minutes? I'm going to have to go to the Aceology website to figure out if that is Lazy Girl approved or not. Holy cow. It retails for $69 for 65 ml. And I'm fairly certain this is 65 ml. Yes. Wow. Okay, let me know if you've tried this product before. $69. This one product paid for the next 3 months of this subscription. All right, next product. Okay, this is really weighty. Those other products were fairly weighty. This, what are you? Okay, so this is from Luna Nectar, and it's called Futurize. It's a Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. Ooh, fancy. It's 30 ml, which should be full size, and I'm guessing it's heavy because it's a glass bottle. All right, I was correct. It is a glass bottle. It has a very thick bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Like a good ½ inch where it's just thick, full-on glass. This retails for $49. There are still several products left. So far, we are well over $100 for a $23 a month box. This is why I love it so much. All right, next product. What are you? I see the word hair and body mist. Okay, so this is from a brand called L'Atelier PARFUM. I think I got that right. Let's grab it, take a little sniff. Oh, it's a really cute, pretty bottle. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. It's glass, and it's like a frosted, super soft pink. Oh, please don't smell like rose. All right, let's spritz it. That smells like something, and I can't put my finger on what it smells like. But it literally smells like something I've smelled before. Let's see if the booklet will mention the notes. Okay, so, yeah. It has notes of rose, violet, and jasmine. I just think that combination is very common in perfumes. It's giving old lady perfume. It's not the worst I've ever smelled, but I don't want to be smelling like that. The full size retails for $57 for 50 ml, and we have a 10 ml travel sample size. I'm super curious. Do you use a hair mist? Or do you just take your normal perfume and put it in your hair? Or do your hair care products smell so good that you just want to leave your shampoo or hairspray or whatnot to be the scent of your hair? I am lazy. I put perfume on my body, but not my hair. All right, last product. What are you? Okay, so this is from David's. Oh, is that healthy toothpaste brand? And it's the David's Hydroxi Whitening Enamel Health Toothpaste. Okay, well, we all have to brush our teeth. Hopefully it doesn't, taste too funkadonk or super healthy. Okay, I think one time I got a David's in a box, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years ago. And it was the kind that had those like a key of an old apothecary metal tube to like roll it up. At least this one, there's no key. Although you do have the little pokey bit. It's probably because it's such a small tube, you don't need the key. I'm going to assume this is a travel size, but one never knows. So the full size retails for $10.95 for 4 ounces, and we got a 1.75 ounce in the box. All right, let's recap what came in the June 2026 box, and then I'll give my final thoughts. We got a travel size hair and body perfume from L'Atelier, a travel size of David's Hydroxi Whitening Enamel Health Toothpaste, the Aceology Here We Glow Berry Mask, a travel size of the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam, the Luna Nectar Futurize Botanica Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum, and the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, on the one hand, it's a good box, but it's not my favorite box. First, I'm a little disappointed that there wasn't at least one makeup product, but the value of this box, I'm going to list on screen, seems really, really good. Now, if you don't use or need a new serum, a face moisturizer, if you don't use hair mousse, this is where it's a little, the brands are great. These products I'm sure are great. But for me personally, I don't know. I haven't used the toothpaste yet, so I guess I can give that a try. This scent isn't the best. It's not my jam. I need to figure out if this is something that needed to wash off or if you can use it like a night cream. Some night masks are literally just a cream you put on your face and you don't have to wash it off. I wasn't thrilled with the choices offered. This was the best one. I use a daily face moisturizer. So that's what she looks like. It's white. Ooh, I like the consistency. It's not too thick. I do not like a thick moisturizer. And it has no scent, as expected. This is a really good brand if you have sensitive skin. They work really well with all skin types. Now, as I teased, pun intended, because let's see if this teases my hair. Let's give this Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam. I'm going to regret this, but I already took my thumbnail picture. All right. It has the consistency and foamed up just like my husband's, what do you call that? Shaving foam. Oh, okay. Foam. I was thinking mousse. This is different than a mousse. It's definitely more foam. All right. We're just going to plop her all over. Oh, it feels wet and goopy. Oh, I don't like how that feels. Smells okay. Let's grab a mirror and let's see how cray-cray I can make my hair. Pretty cray-cray. It's, yeah, my hair still feels wet. I guess I was expecting it to just, I don't know, have more alcohol in it and kind of dry down and just make my hair a little chunky for texture. But maybe I used too much, although I barely pressed, and yeah, it's kind of still wet. Okay. Well, there we go. Does my hair look any different? It feels different, but does it look different? It probably does, and it looks by different worse. All right, that was everything in my box. I would love to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? What do you think of the Allure box in general? And if you get the box, what did you select for your choice? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, which is like right there, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right. Thanks, everyone.